That's Virgil with the women.
He's mine.
All aboard!
Hey, Matty, where's Wyatt?
Right behind you, Stilwell.
Hey, fellow Wild West adventurers, welcome back for another episode. I come to you from the Tucson train station. On March 18, 1882, Morgan Earp was assassinated in Tombstone, Arizona. They loaded his body onto a wagon, brought him first to Benson, then to Contention. Then they wound up here at the Tucson train station to ship his body back to San Bernardino, specifically to Colton, California. Wyatt Earp received information that Frank Stilwell and the other cowboys were waiting for him. When he got to Tucson train station, they found Stilwell waiting to ambush. They went and fired upon him. This map was drawn by Wyatt Earp, showing where he killed Frank Stilwell, a short distance northwest of the Tucson railroad station. Wild West adventurers still here at the Tucson train station, looking at this cart. Perhaps it was a cart like this that held the body of Morgan Earp. Here comes the train now.
All right, Clanton. You called down the thunder, well, now you got it. You see that? It says United States Marshal.
Wyatt, please don't kill me, please.
Take a good look at him, Mike, because that's how you're gonna end up.
The cowboys are finished, you understand me? I see a red sash, I kill the man wearing it. So run, you cur.
Run! Tell all the other curs the law's coming! You tell them I'm coming! And hell's coming with me, you hear? Hell's coming with me!
Here is a statue of Wyatt Earp and Doc Holliday that depicts this famous moment in American Wild West history. If you like this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, and subscribe. Wild West Adventures. Well, Wild West Adventures, this is where we part ways. Until next time, we'll be seeing you on down that old road.